You know what? We're gonna take a shot clock of how many times I say final thoughts in this video. Let me know what y'all come up with as far as shots down in the comment section.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. I wanted to get this intro done because your girl's about to go out, and I just don't know what type of condition I'm gonna be in when I get back in the house. You feel me? So I wanted to make sure I go ahead and get this out of the way. And yeah, so I didn't want to make this intro long because everything is pretty much self-explanatory. I talked a little bit throughout the video so you guys will get to hear kind of like some of my thoughts and things like that. So yeah. Hey you guys, what's up? It's Cece and welcome back to my channel. Normally I start these videos out with like, you know, a full-blown glam, but I wanted to keep this as true to the content as possible. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, I will be giving my thoughts on the Morphe Filter Effect Foundation. I went into Ulta yesterday to get more NYX Lift and Snatch brow pens for my clients, and this foundation, it got me, y'all. It got me. It was at the forefront of the store, and just seeing the shade ranges, and they had all the brown shades out there, so I was like, let me see what this is hitting for. The shade that worked for me was shade Deep 34. So we are going to see exactly how it looks on the skin. As you guys can tell, I have not opened the packaging at all. So as I'm opening this will be my very first experience with putting the foundation, not only putting the foundation on, but actually opening the packaging. The packaging is very sleek. It definitely reminds me of like the Fenty Beauty packaging from the way that the shade is swatched onto the box. How sleek the font is, but the actual bottle, if you guys are familiar, if not, I'll plop a picture here on the screen somewhere. But this foundation bottle definitely reminds me of the Sephora collection foundation. I'm actually about to head out. I'm going to like a bar type setting. So we're gonna see what this foundation is hitting for. I'm gonna make sure I leave all of my stuff set up so that way when I get back from where I'm going tonight, I can come in and give you guys my final thoughts on the foundation. Right now it is 7:35, and I just wanted to show y'all the time just so that way y'all know I'm not BSing. I probably won't leave my house for at least about another hour. I kind of know what I'm gonna wear, so it shouldn't take me that long. We're gonna go ahead and open the packaging and get started with the foundation. So this is what the foundation looks like. For this bottle, you get 90.94 fluid ounces. As the claims for this foundation, so it says this is a long-wearing, oil-free, natural finish foundation, hydrates skin and blurs imperfections for the ultimate skin-focused look. It is infused with hyaluronic acid, which, if you guys don't know, is a really good ingredient for your skin. I don't know why or what it does, but I hear a lot of people whose skin is very, very pretty talk about hyaluronic acid. So it says infused with hyaluronic acid, a skin smoothing moisture booster, vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, and then glycerin, which is another product I hear a lot of people have a really great skin talk about in their skincare routine, and it says that it's a hydrator for a healthy looking glow. The foundation retails for 20 bones, and I had the coupon at Ulta, so I only paid $18.66 for it, which was great. But let's see. Yeah, so because this foundation claims to be a oil-free foundation and a natural finish, I'm going to use all the same products that I almost always use when I do my foundation. That's how I know if a foundation is for me, because I'm pretty set and stuck on my ways when it comes down to my concealer and my powders. So if it works well with what I'm already using and it looks good, then I know that this is a foundation that I can keep in my stash. So let me go ahead and get primed and prepped. Please make sure you guys are checking the description box because I will leave everything that I'm using down below in the description box. I don't know if I'm going to talk through this whole thing or if I'm just going to do a voiceover because you guys obviously don't really like when I do longer videos. So I'm going to try and make this as quick as possible. I'm going to go ahead and prep my skin and then apply the foundation, and then I'll let you guys know my thoughts and my feelings as I, make that first application, and then once I have the foundation all over my face, and obviously once I'm done, how it looks, all that good stuff. So yeah. Okay, so first thoughts with putting the foundation on, like, this is damn near a perfect match. So that's already a thumbs up for me. It reminds me of my NARS, like how it feels when I wear my natural radiant foundation. So that I am already loving. I haven't decided if I want to use my NARS, my Morphe concealer, which I probably should because it's a Morphe foundation, so it probably would pair best with its concealer. So maybe I will wear that. I feel like this is kind of like medium coverage because while my skin does, well, it is a natural finish, I can still see where my skin doesn't necessarily look even, but I'm not mad at it. Yeah. So one pump covered the whole side of my face. So if you guys want to take a look, this is what it's giving for the side that has foundation versus the side that does not. So it does look like skin, that I will definitely say. All right, so now that my face is fully covered, this is about how much foundation I have left on the back of my hand. So in total, I use like 2 full press down pumps and like a half a pump. So about 2.5 pumps covered my entire face because I was going for a more full coverage look. It doesn't feel like I have anything on. Most products can tend to feel pretty heavy. For the most part, my skin feels good. It still feels breathable. I'm not really like, I don't know, like I don't feel the foundation on my face, which is a good thing in my book because nobody wants to feel like they have, a ton of product just sitting on their face. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. If something weird happens, like with me pairing the products that I normally use to like complete my full face, then I would definitely make sure that I vocalize that. But just to keep time down, nothing is different about my routine, and I did decide I am gonna go ahead and use my Morphe Fluidity concealer in the shade C44.45, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of that, and then I'll be back on camera obviously once I finish the rest of my face. So I'm gonna put some nice little tunes on for you guys while I finish the rest of my face up, and then again I'll come back with my final thoughts. I know I've said that like 8,000 times, but I promise you, unless something weird happens, I'm not coming back until I'm like completely done with my face. done applying my makeup. I'm getting ready to let my hair down, but I just want to give you guys my final thoughts before I get out of here and get to my destination. I can start to feel the foundation on my face just a little bit, and just in the time that it took me to complete my the rest of my face makeup, my nose did start to get a little oily, but that's not too big of a concern for me because I do have an oily T-zone, so that is something to be expected when it comes down to me doing my makeup. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed, and this is kind of like, you know, my final little closing piece, and I will be back on camera once I get back tonight to let you guys know my final thoughts. I feel like I've said that. You know what, we're gonna take a shot clock of how many times I say final thoughts in this video. Let me know what y'all come up with as far as shots down in the comment section. All right, so I am back home. I'm not sure what time I showed you guys on the clock, but it is 11:25 and I am back home from being out with my family. Child, this foundation, it feels good. I think that instead of using my Milk Hydro Grip primer, which is meant to make the skin look dewy, I would use my Becca Ever Matte Poreless. Why was I stumbling over that? That is a little lengthy title, Becca. Y'all could have chomped it down a little bit, but I would use that primer instead of using the Milk Hydro Grip because now I can definitely feel the foundation on my face. I was able to get about 5 hours wear out of it. The normal getting, like, you know, oily in the T-zone area. But other than that, I just took a bunch of pictures. I did take some pictures with flash, and listen, sis, the foundation photographs beautifully. I actually need to take pictures for my Instagram tomorrow, so I think that I'm going to wear this foundation out while I go get my pictures done and see how it holds up on like the regular iPhone. It looks good. I wasn't getting any flashback, but you know what I mean, I know what I'm feeling, so why would I get flashback? The concealer paired beautifully with the foundation. Dare I say this might be the first foundation that the Fluidity concealer did not crease on, and it could be because it's Morphe product on top of Morphe product, but I really love this combination together. If I had to rate this foundation, I would definitely say that I would probably give it like an 8 out of 10. I'm gonna wear it again tomorrow, and then if I have like an update after I, you know, go take my pictures and stuff tomorrow, then obviously I will make another video and let you guys know if my mind changed, because y'all know I tend to do that anyways with my foundation reviews. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was not too long. I tried to make it as straight to the point as possible, but as always, I appreciate you guys so much for watching my content and subscribing, and I love talking to you guys in the comment section of my videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this makeup off of my face, get in the shower, and get in the bed because I am tired. And yes, I will see you all in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.